to another round of the workshop. Today I have the second viewer challenge of the season, where I have been tasked to paint any image that I want as long as it features 100 bats. So let's take a look at all the supplies and materials I'll be using to create this piece today. We know our challenge, we know our supplies, blah 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 blah, you know what time it is. Countdown creation. I only have 20 minutes to put together this piece. Now typically with my other projects over the last few episodes, it usually takes me about 4 hours to get it all down, and then I'll go back and do details over the course of several days. So to only have 20 minutes to put together this piece, it requires me to go back, think of an image that I could use that represents the challenge, and to come up with a game plan as far as how many minutes it'll take me to trace everything out, how many times it'll take me to lay down the colors, and to paint 100 bats in one image. So this will be quite a challenge. Cannot wait to see how this goes. Let's get started. Countdown creation of the season is over, so let's talk about it. In trying to execute 100 bats, really detail oriented in 20 minutes was asking for a lot. So to mitigate the time, I decided to focus on one bat, build out the details, and then with the other 99 bats, just keep it to silhouettes and various different sizes in the background. I even threw in some baseball bats just to take it to a weirder level. If you want to find out more about this project, whether it be the challenge or the details that I used in this piece, feel free to visit my Instagram page or visit mindtripstudio.com. Till next week, have a good week, everyone.